The types of work permit are hot work permit, issued for work generating or using heat. Safety permit, issued when work involves repair or maintenance and locking out energy resources. Entry permit, used when the worker is required to enter and work in confined spaces. Unique permit, issued when work involves hazardous conditions. And general permit, issued for highly hazardous jobs but is not covered by any permits described before. How is a work permit system set up? First is to establish your policy. Next is to identify hazards, assess risk, and determine needs. Third is to implement a plan to address identified needs. Next is to set the standards for your security and safety. Then, you need to develop procedures and such. Next, you have to communicate your policy and procedures to your workers. Then, you need to provide training. After that, you have to measure and evaluate these standards. Finally, you need to continually improve the system to respond to different needs of your plant.
Created using Powtoon.